And Haggai 2, verse 8 says, silver and gold belong to God. This is a fact. Whatever we have, they don't belong to us, they belong to God. So when God demands that we give, then we must give. We give what He has given us. Silver and gold belong to God. Hata kama iko kwa bank, ama iko kwa nyumba, that money belongs to God. So if God demands that we give Him, let us give Him. Somebody once asked, what is it that you have that you are not just given? Ni nini uko nayo ambaye haukupewa? What do you have? Even if it is your wife, God gave you that wife. If it is your husband, ni Mungu alikupatia. Au watoto ni Mungu alikupatia. The beauty that we have, God has given us. You have nothing. The money you have belongs to God. James 1:17 says, every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father. James 1:17. Every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Watu wasilani. Giving is connected to blessings. And Proverbs 11:24-25. That's another part. If it was there, but it says like this. Proverbs 11:24. One man gives freely, yet gains even more. Another one withholds unduly, but comes to poverty. One man gives freely and gains even more. But one person withholds unduly, but comes to poverty. But now verse 25, Proverbs 11:25 says like this. A generous man will prosper. Hiyo nataka msikie kabisa kwa masikio. Tell somebody next to you, a generous man prospers. That is very true. That's very true. If you want to prosper, please be generous, especially with the things of God. The Bible says, a generous man prospers. The people who worship God in truth and in sincerity, if they are generous, look at their life. Is there anything that you admire from them? Bwana Yesu asifiwe. I'm going very fast. In the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 11, 1 and 2 says, scatter your bread in waters. Just scatter your bread in waters. And after some days, you will get it back. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Which means just give. Give. There's a funeral umetoa. Giving for the building. Giving for Vicar's car. You scatter your bread on the waters. Yeah?